Hello friends, we will check the BHEL share today. Fundamental and technical analysis will see. We'll check whether it is a good time to buy, hold or sell now. Now we will keep in 3 months time frame and we'll see what was the high. The prior high, the previous high was in 2007 and the highest was 316 and next high it has formed at 2010 and it was 299. So we'll mark the levels. So this will be our first resistance and major levels. Okay. And what was the major support level? We will consider this as a major support. So in this longer time frame, this was a good time to buy and this was a good time to book your profit. But it is not quite possible. Like everyone can buy at lower levels and selling at higher levels. So here it was a breakout. At 2007, the investor who has invested at this level of 150 and within 9 months he has seen a very good result. In 9 months the money was doubled here. Again later in couple of months we have seen a very good downfall and also it has recovered. In a 1 year only it got recovered here. Later the person who has purchased here at 300 in level, he is still stuck at this price now. Okay, the person who has not booked the loss or he has averaged at this levels also he got stuck. So most probably waiting for from 2010 to 2024, 15 years, I don't think people have that much patience to hold the stock so long, or they have money to average at these levels also. So this will act as a supply zone only now. So let's check the fundamentals and again we'll come back to technicals. So we are checking the BHEL in Skinner.in. All the fundamentals. It is authenticated website, so it's better to check the fundamental analysis here. And also you can do manual calculation. When if you are good at reading the financials, then you can prepare your own. So the market cap of BHEL is one lakh crores. So this is a large cap company. So current price is 306. So this is in 1 year. High and low. It was 83 was a low and the high was 322. Matlab almost three times more the price was traded. So let's check book value. Book value matlab net assets of company minus the net liabilities. In liabilities we'll calculate only the borrowings and other liabilities divided by outstanding shares. So we'll get 70.2. So now what the book value mean? Book value means the total asset this company has. So this has the value of 70 rupees only, but the current price of this share is trading at 306. More than 3 to 4x times it is trading now. So do you think it is worth to purchase the share at 306? Some other methods to check whether this price is authenticate or not. So what we have PE ratio, price earning ratio. So it is 377. So this will show how many times the money you have kept to buy one share will give you returns. It will be 377 times. In simple term, it is 377 times costlier. Okay, so this is to compare the sector wise, not with the price, but people will consider with this with the price how many times it is costlier, but it's better to compare the PE ratio with the peer. Who is the peers? We have ABB, Siemens. So 377 is costlier. Like who is the competitor? We have 286 PE. We have for Hitachi. Rest all has below 100 only. So you can compare your peers also. Next is dividend. Anyhow, this a peers will always give a good dividends. ROE, return on equity. So see, this is the profit divided by the shareholders. So the person who has invested at IPO time are the proprietor of these companies and who has invested earlier, they are getting only 1.10 percentage of what they have invested. So this is not that worth investing in this in such companies. And ROCE. ROCE matlab how much the debts they have with equity involved in it. Okay, less the debt, more the profit of ROCE. More the debts they have, less the ROCE, then ROE will be more if they have more debts. So this has a less debts only, not an issue. Debt to equity is 0.36. Matlab the debts are under control. because market cap is more. And while coming to the sales growth, sales growth is 2.26. Matlab per annum is doing only 2% of sale. And in last 3 years, it has given 11.3% of sales. So what is EPS earning per share? Okay, per share, if you buy at 306, how much it can give per annum? Only 0.81 paisa. So let's check the profit and loss. We have to check this for long time. So more than 5 years will be better option. We will check profit after tax. Profit after tax, it was in 2013, it was 6,000 crores. Now it has came to 282 crores only. So the profit has been decreased. Earning per share also, see, it was 18 rupees per share you used to earn in 2013. Now it got reduced to 0.81. So only the stock price has been appreciated in last 10 years. If you see this, in last 1 year, it has appreciated 252, whereas compounding profit growth, we don't have any profit growth in the company. And sales, compounding sales growth, last 3 years it is positive, last 5 to 10 years it is negative, and this is continuation of this year is 2% now. Okay, when the company don't have any sales, they don't have sales growth, and the price is increasing of the share. What do you think of it? Now we'll check the balance sheet. The most important in balance sheet is reserves. So see, in 2013 they were having a reserve of 30,000 crores, and the reserves was increasing. Later it started decreasing from 2000, and now it is 23,000 crores. So reserves is also not that attractive, and borrowing also increased from 2000 crores to 8000 crores. Not an issue, but when borrowing is increasing, the net profit also has to increase, but we don't see that. Next we will see the shareholding patterns. So the proprietor of this company has 63% of holding with him, and rest 8.76 it has with the FIIs, and 15.95 with DII, and public has 12, and rest the shareholders. So fundamentally it is not that attractive, but many people don't agree with it because people tell it's a capital intensive business. So they are tie up with 88 countries, and they are supplying the power and generating power to other countries as well. But I don't agree the ROE, and also don't agree with the profit what they are generating. So now let's check the price action. So see, in 1 year it has appreciated so much that we don't have any good space here to move higher. It is just to book a good profit if you're holding at this price, or if your term is for long term for a investment purpose like 5 years plus, then you still hold it. It's up to you, it's up to your wish. I'm not recommending, this is just for an education purpose. Don't make any financial plans. So please contact your financial advisors before taking any action. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.